Good morning. I'm exhausted, but the markets are pumping. We got XRP pumping, we got Cardano pumping, we got Bitcoin pumping. And oh my, what a pump indeed. Bitcoin getting up all the way to $95,000. And where did we get the bounce from? Of course, the legendary bi-weekly Mango dynamic. It's been holding for this entire cycle, and yet again, it has not disappointed us. Great bids for all of you that took the bid. Good job, good trade, you have been rewarded. But here I am, right now, today, to maybe tamper down the mood just a tad bit, just to keep the community safe. Now that we've got the bounces across the board, we've got Cardano bouncing more than 50%, XRP bouncing around 35% and 40%. Everything has bounced. I'm here to ask you guys to now stay your hand. Don't do anything stupid until tomorrow at the very least. Wait for that freaking confirmation. You want to start seeing these candles close above key resistance levels that we will be talking about in today's video. But before we do that, I want to tell you guys a story. I want to take you guys back to a experience that I had with the charts that is very reminiscent to what is going on right now. It is a Sunday. Bitcoin was sitting around $77,000 and we get a major announcement from a world leader. This is all too familiar, all right? All too familiar. Even the numbers are freaking familiar. So let me take you guys back. Okay, let's go ahead and clear out the indicator over here. We're going to zoom all the way back to 2019, right over here. I remember this vividly. I'd put on a position coming off this support level over here, coming at around $76,000. I remember getting in at around $77,750 or something like that, and I had to wait weeks before knowing whether the position was going to get invalidated or not. And then on this week right over here, okay, you guys see this wick underneath the support? That wick was a red candle. Okay, this candle over here was entirely red leading up to the Sunday. And on Sunday evening, Xi Jinping or some big name from China, I believe it was Xi, came out and said China will be embracing Bitcoin and blockchain. And the markets went wild. We saw a huge candle on that day. Guys, this was a 40% candle, all right? And this all happened in a matter of a couple of days max. All of it, okay? Because this wick over here, this was leading into the Sunday close. I remember I was getting mentally ready to close out my position. In fact, people were telling me to close out way before, because if you guys zoom in to the lower time frame price action over here, you guys will see what looked like a perfect head and shoulders on the daily time frame that had broken down, right? But I was like, nope, I'm going to wait for that freaking weekly close. I'm going to stay mango. I'm going to stay disciplined. Now, I was rewarded for that. And because I was rewarded for that, I recognized that we had resistance coming in right over here. You guys can see that we had a resistance block that Bitcoin needed to clear for it to have seen upside continuation. But it didn't do that, right? Instead, all we saw was Bitcoin make its way down back towards the bottom range to put in a new low. If price had cleared this resistance level, then we could have expected price to make its way further up, right? But it did not. It rejected off that resistance level. And because of that, we see price make its way down to put in a new low right after. Similarly, I'm going to ask you guys to look at the situation the same way. And guys, the numbers are so similar too. Now, this isn't any serious TA by any means, but I just find it crazy how similar the numbers are. Over here, back in 2019, we rallied from around $7,800 all the way up to around $9,600, right? Now, what are we doing? Currently, 2025, 6 years later, we rallied from $78,000 all the way up to around $95,000 at this point. Now again, this isn't real TA, but I just find it crazy how similar the situations are. The numbers are similar. We have a big named world leader coming out and embracing Bitcoin and blockchain back in 2019. And over here, we have a big world leader embracing crypto and Bitcoin. Call it what you will. It is what it is. Just be careful. Wait for confirmation. We want to see the market accept this news as bullish and be eager to buy. We don't want to see the sell off. We don't want to see a repeat of what happened last time around where you did not buy when it was time to buy, right? So, for example, guys, right over here, we had a plan. Okay, if we lose the 4-day dynamic, we look towards the bi-weekly dynamic. Literally, it says it right here. If the 4-day is lost, we're going to look for the bi-weekly dynamic. So if you did not buy the bi-weekly dynamic, this is not the time to be buying. At least now, do the right thing and be patient. All I'm asking you guys to do is wait for 5 more hours. That's it. That's it. We'll get more information tomorrow. We'll do an updated video for you guys. Things are going to be fine. Patience will pay. Keep it mango. Keep it easy. Keep it stress-free. I will see you guys in our Discord. I'm exhausted. I cannot go on any longer. See you soon. Ciao.